Here's a rephrased version of the script. Oregano boasts the strongest antibacterial properties. Rosemary contains the highest levels of antioxidants. Tulsi, holy basil, offers powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Echinacea, renowned for its immune-boosting benefits. Peppermint provides excellent support for digestive health. Ashwagandha, known for reducing anxiety. Basil helps lower stress levels. Sage enhances memory and cognitive function. Cilantro aids in detoxification. Fenugreek assists in regulating blood sugar. Chamomile promotes a calming effect. Parsley helps cleanse the kidneys. Thyme soothes the respiratory system. Ginger offers the most relief for menstrual cramps.